While plenty of people ignore promotional emails, SMS messages or text messages tend to get noticed much faster. That's why SMS marketing is one of the most underrated tools for e-commerce. It puts your messages directly in front of customers, often with higher open rates and engagement rates than email. Texts have a 98% open rate, meaning that almost every message you send actually gets read, or at least opened. Compare that to email, where only 20 to 30% of messages get opened, and you'll see why SMS is a must-have for online stores. It's fast, personal, and when done right, can drive way more engagement and sales than email alone. So today we're breaking down how to use SMS marketing to boost your store's revenue, from setting up your first campaign to growing your subscriber list and automating messages to keep customers coming back. Let's get into it. Why SMS marketing is a must-have for e-commerce. All right, let's start with why SMS is such a big deal. Now, you might be wondering, isn't email enough? Do I really need to add SMS to my marketing strategy? And the answer is yes. Absolutely. SMS is fast. Unlike email, where messages can sit unread for hours or even days or weeks, text messages are usually opened within 3 minutes of being received. That means that if you send out a flash sale, a cart reminder, or exclusive offer, your customers will see it almost instantly. This makes SMS perfect for time-sensitive promotions and last-minute deals. But it's not just about speed. SMS feels personal. When someone gets a text message, it feels more like a one-on-one conversation. And that's a huge advantage when you're trying to build trust and loyalty with your audience. People don't want to feel like they're being blasted with ads. They want to feel like they're getting an inside scoop, an exclusive offer just for them. And let's talk about conversions. SMS marketing has been shown to have a much higher conversion rate than email. Customers who receive a well-timed, personalized text message are far more likely to click through and make a purchase than those who receive a standard promotional email. So if you're serious about increasing sales and customer engagement, SMS marketing is a no-brainer. All right, step 1, setting up SMS marketing in Omnisend. So now that we're all on the same page about why SMS marketing is so powerful, let's dive into the setup process. Now, if you haven't already signed up for Omnisend, now is the time to do it. It's one of the best platforms out there for e-commerce SMS marketing, and you can get started by clicking the link down below in the description. You can get started for free, and you don't need to enter a credit card to get started. Now, once you're logged in, you'll need to do a few things to get started. Getting your SMS credits. Now, before you can send messages, you need SMS credits. Think of these like prepaid text messages. You need to load up your account before you start sending campaigns. And here's how to do it. After you go ahead and sign up for Omnisend using the link down below, go to your Omnisend dashboard. Then navigate to store settings and find the pricing plan section. If you're on the free plan, you'll need to manually purchase SMS credits. If you're on a standard or pro plan, you can buy credits or roll them over from previous months. Now, once you've got your credits, you're ready to start sending messages. So go ahead and add credits to your account. We'll come up here to the top right and we'll come down here. So I currently have $1 of my free SMS left. So to go ahead and add more credits, we'll go ahead and just click right here and click on add SMS credits. So from here, you can go ahead and select the amount that you want. So for $10, you can send 667 SMS, all the way up to, if you add $300, you can send 20,000 SMS messages, which is quite a lot. So go ahead, choose the amount you want, and you're good to go. Creating your first SMS campaign. Let's talk about how to actually send your first SMS campaign. This is the exciting part, where you connect with your customers and start driving sales. So just follow these steps. What we're going to do is we're going to go to the campaign section in Omnisend. From there, click New Campaign and select SMS Campaign. Give your campaign a name. This is just for your own tracking, so something simple like Spring Sale Promo would work just fine. Then enter your sender's name. This is what customers will see when they receive your message. Write your SMS message and keep it short, direct, and engaging. Add a shortened link to your store. Omnisend will do this for you automatically. Include an unsubscribe option to stay compliant with SMS marketing rules. Select your audience segment. You can send the message to all subscribers or just a specific group, like VIP customers or first-time buyers, for example. Click review and send, and just like that, you've launched your first SMS campaign. To do that, again, we'll come up here, click on campaigns, click on create campaign. Here you can choose between email A/B test, SMS, or a push notification. We'll go ahead and click on create SMS. This is where you can go ahead and add the campaign name. So we'll go Spring Sale Promo, sender's name, Eric. And then if we come here, we can see these little options here. So if we click on this, we can go ahead and add a name. So I want to go ahead and actually put that at the beginning here. We'll go ahead and cut that, put that at the beginning, put a dash, and we'll lowercase that. So it'll say their first name, and then it'll go into the message there. Now we also have some other options here too. We can put their phone number, unsubscribe link, all this other types of stuff here too. So we'll come down here. Let's see. And then here you can go ahead and add, an image if you'd like for US and Canada recipients only. So you can go ahead and select the file there. Maximum file size is 500 kilobytes. So, and that can be a JPEG, PNG, or a GIF. Then here you can go ahead, automatically shorten links, and there you go. So you can go ahead and preview it over here. This is what it'll look like for United States and Canada, and this is what it'll look like for everybody else. So moving forward, we'll go ahead and click on next step. Or before that, if you'd like, you can go ahead and send a test to yourself. I'll go ahead and click on next step for now. And this is where you go ahead and choose who you send it to. So you can either send it to all your subscribers, or you can go ahead and choose specific segments. But setting up a campaign is only half the battle. To really succeed, you need to make sure that you're sending the right messages at the right time. And that's what we'll cover next. Step 2, best types of SMS campaigns for e-commerce. So now that you know how to send messages, let's talk about what kind of texts actually work. Because let's be honest, if you're just blasting out random messages, people will ignore them, or worse, they'll unsubscribe. But when SMS is used strategically, it can keep customers engaged, boost sales, and build loyalty. Here are some of the best ways to use SMS marketing without annoying your customers. Number 1 is flash sales, turning urgencies into sales. One of the biggest advantages of SMS is speed. People check their texts almost immediately. That's why it's perfect for flash sales. And instead of hoping customers see your email or social media post in time, a quick text puts that deal right in front of them when it matters most. Why it works. Flash sale texts create a sense of urgency that make people act fast. If they know the deal is gone in a few hours, they're more likely to buy right now instead of thinking about it. For example, 50% off for the next 3 hours. Don't miss out. Click here to grab your deal, and you can add your link. So why this works? It's short and to the point. No one wants to read a long text. Urgency is clear. The deal won't last forever. There's a direct action. They don't have to guess what to do next. There's a link right there to click. So use flash sale text when you need to move inventory quickly, or you want to hype up a special promotion. Cart abandonment reminders. Recovering lost sales. So we've all done it, added something to our cart, then got distracted and forgot about it. Your customers do the same thing, and that's a huge missed opportunity. A quick reminder text can bring them back and turn that abandoned cart into a completed order. Why it works. So many customers just need a little push, a reminder, an incentive, or even just a nudge to complete checkout. Example, hey, first name, you left something in your cart. Put your order now and get 10% off. With a link. Why this works? It feels personal. Using their name makes it feel less robotic, even though they probably know it's an automated text. The discount adds incentive. Sometimes a small reward is all it takes. It's a reminder, not a hard sell. Customers don't feel pressured. Cart abandonment texts are easy wins because they target people who are already interested. A simple nudge can make all the difference. Order and shipping updates. Keeping customers in the loop. People love knowing exactly where their order is. And let's be real, if they don't hear from you, they'll probably start emailing customer support asking, where's my package? Why this works. Sending an SMS when an order ships or is out for delivery reduces customer anxiety and builds trust with your brand. They feel taken care of instead of wondering what's going on. For example, your order has shipped. Track it here with a tracking link. Now, why this works? It keeps customers updated. There's no need to check emails or log into their account, and it reduces support tickets. Fewer where's my order messages for your team to deal with. It also reassures customers that they know their package is on the way. And this small touch improves the shopping experience, making customers more likely to order from you again. Now, something else that you can do inside of Omnisend is create some automations. So we'll come up here to automations and we'll create a workflow here. So our goal here, what we want to do something is we want to do something email and SMS, and we could do an abandoned cart. Let's go ahead and customize this workflow. So I know this video is all about SMS marketing, but using that in tandem with email is a great use as well. So here you can see the customers enter the workflow when they start their checkout, and customers will exit the workflow when they place an order. Next, they're going to get an email, and then it's going to wait 11 hours, and then it's going to send them another email, and then it's going to wait 12 hours, and then it's going to create a SMS text here, and then it's going to wait 5 minutes and send another email. So again, this is a pre-built automation inside Omnisend. You don't have to put any of this together. Obviously, you can come in here and customize it it to fit your needs, but this is a great place to start to win back some of those abandoned carts, which is going to make a huge difference in your business's bottom line. So SMS marketing isn't just about blasting out promotions. It's about connecting with your customers in a way that feels natural, timely, and valuable. Think about it. When someone gets a text, they almost always check it, and it's almost always immediately. That's a huge opportunity, but only if you're sending messages that actually matter to them. Flash sales, they create excitement and drive instant sales. Cart abandonment reminders, a simple nudge that can recover lost revenue. Order updates, they show your customers that you care about their experience, reducing frustration and keeping them in the loop. It's all about finding the balance. You don't want to overwhelm people with too many texts, but you also don't want to miss out on moments where a quick message could lead to a sale, a repeat customer, or just a better shopping experience. If you're not using SMS marketing yet, now's the time to start. Your customers are already checking their texts. Make sure your brand is part of that conversation. And when done right, SMS can be one of the most effective and personal marketing tools in your business. So SMS marketing is one of the best tools you can use to grow your e-commerce store. Fast, personal, and incredibly effective. By setting up SMS campaigns and growing your list, automating your messages, you'll drive more sales and build stronger relationships. Now, if you want to get started with Omnisend, we'll have a link for you down in the description. Now, you can go ahead and get started for free for up to 250 contacts. Now, this is an affiliate link, which means that we earn a small commission when you use it at no extra cost to you. And these commissions really help support the channel and allow us to continue creating free content just like this. So if you end up using it, we thank you so much in advance. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Here on this channel, we're dedicated to helping you succeed with e-commerce by providing tips, strategies, and insights to grow your online business, so be sure to subscribe. Other than that, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you here in the next video.